Welcome, game changers. Today, we take the first step in completely changing the game. When we work from home or think about starting this journey, we all want to be highly productive, comfortable, and happy, and finish our work quickly and efficiently. A dream? No, it's a reality we will live together. Today, we'll reveal 5 powerful secrets to choosing and setting up the perfect workspace at home. Secrets that will make you create and achieve more than ever before. And for those who stay with us until the end, there's a surprise that will forever change the way you work from home. So stay tuned. The first secret we'll reveal is, it's not necessary to have a full office room to be creative. The idea is in the smart utilization of any space you have. Look at the creativity. A small corner in the living room can be turned into your dream office. The key idea is to be away from the TV and traffic, and the secret is in smart organization. Place a small desk and a comfortable chair. It's important to choose calm and eye-soothing colors to help you concentrate. We will talk in detail about colors and decor, so make sure you're following us. Look at the creativity. You can utilize an old closet and turn it into a closed, quiet office. This is a very practical idea for small apartments and gives you more privacy. These are ideas you can easily implement. The balcony isn't just for plants. It can be your perfect office that combines work and relaxation. See how you can utilize this space smartly. And there are many other ideas like utilizing the empty space under the stairs if you have a 2-story house. The idea isn't in the space. The idea is in your creativity. So don't worry about the space. See which corner you can utilize in your house and start thinking about how to turn it into your dream office. There are many simple and creative ideas you can apply at the lowest cost. Now we'll reveal a very important secret that most people forget: precise measurement. Have you chosen the right place in your house? Great! But before you prepare the furniture and start working, there's a very important step, which is measuring. Don't let this happen to you. Precise measurement will save you time, money, and effort. Take precise measurements. Be mindful of doors and windows. Every centimeter counts. Grab your tape measure and start measuring the width, length, and height of the space you'll turn into an office. It's important to determine the exact available space to choose the suitable furniture for it. Now we'll talk about a crucial secret that will change your mood and productivity by 180 degrees. Light and ventilation. Choosing a place with good ventilation and natural sunlight will greatly benefit your work. Natural light improves mood and increases productivity, and ventilation keeps you more active and focused. Try to choose a place near a window that lets in natural light as much as possible. It's not just about the light, but also about the beautiful views. Looking at greenery and the sky improves mood and calms the nerves. It's very important to ventilate the space regularly, especially if you spend long hours working. Open the windows periodically to let fresh air into your office. Now we'll talk about something very valuable: quiet. To work with high concentration, you need to choose a quiet place, away from distractions like the TV and kids if they are around. Look for the quietest corner in the house, away from the TV and the kitchen. You can use heavy curtains or cork boards on the wall. Even carpets can help reduce echo. Agree with your family on quiet hours. Make it like a new house rule. Golden tip: try noise-canceling headphones. They will change your life. We've reached the last point, and it might be the most important: organizing the office. Do you see the difference? A tidy desk not only looks good, but it also boosts your productivity and reduces your stress. 1. The 5-minute rule. Anything you can finish in 5 minutes or less, do it right away. It will prevent small tasks from piling up. 2. Smart drawer system. Arrange your drawers by importance. The first drawer for daily items, and the rest for less used items. 3. Reducing paper use. Try to minimize paper use as much as possible. Use digital applications for notes and planning. Have a cleaning day weekly for your desk. It will help you start each week with new energy, and that's our top 5 tips to help you create the perfect home office. Do you remember the surprise I promised you at the beginning? This is the Game Changers Partners Card, your gateway to success, and it's completely free for a limited time. Personal consultations to help you build a strong brand, exclusive ebooks that will save you years of learning, discounts on powerful tools, and most importantly, you'll be joining a community of game changers just like you, who will support and encourage you on your journey. But hurry, this offer won't last forever. It's available for a limited time only, so don't miss out. And also, if you want to share your experience or have any questions, leave a comment below the video. We read all comments and respond to them. What is the biggest challenge you face when working from home? Share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new content. Finally, stay tuned for next week's video where we will talk about furniture and decor. Thank you for watching, and remember, you're not just working from home, you're changing the game. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.